Hair is looking very funny today. I don't know why. Probably because I'm having too much of oily. Guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel Polmi Shaha Vlogs. So today's video is all about my favorite recent lipsticks. Actually, it's not so recent, but I have got my hands recently on this lipsticks and I hope these are very popular to you all. Let me just show you. Talking about the quality of the lipsticks, these are absolutely transfer proof. Like after wearing this lipstick, I literally had a lot of oily food, but there was literally no smudges or no like breakage in between the lips at all. Like I won't say the breakage of the lip skin, it is rather the breakage of the lipstick. Sometimes it happens, you know, that when we eat a lot of oily food after wearing a transfer proof lipsticks, actually it smudges, but this is not at all a lipstick which will like create a lot of smudge. Lipsticks I've purchased from Purple, and these are, I hope, very popular to most of the girls, and it's from the range of Naibe, and this one is Confessions of a Lipaholic Primer Plus Matte Liquid Lipsticks. This is the outer packaging. I hope it's clear to you all. And I have got my hands on these shades Her Wonderland. Like mauve is one of my very favorite shades, and I literally love to explore all shades of mauve from any range of lipsticks, whether it's in dark mauve, nude mauve, or anything related to purple or mauve. So this shade is basically from a mauvish range. And now I'll move on to some more nude lipsticks. Actually, basically I've got three nude lipsticks from this range, and one of them is Her Wonderland. Next one is Mugs and Hugs. This is a very beautiful brownish kind of nude, like people who are having warm undertones. This color will definitely complement their skin tone a lot, and it is also applicable for all range of Indian skin tones. I personally love it because it gives me not only a nude shade but also it's in between. According to my skin tone, it's in between a dark and nude, perfect shade of nude. So this is also one of my personal favorite. I will move on to the swatches, so just keep watching the video till the end. Next one, this one is Ladies Night. Now this is my absolute favorite. Like right now I'm also wearing this lipstick, and to be more prominent, to show you all the colors more prominently, I will be swatching the videos on my hand. I will be attaching the pictures because I feel pictures can show you a bit more better than the video, because the light might vary from places to places, from weather to weather. So I believe if I attach a picture for you all, it might be very convenient, and you all know that I love to stay focused to my video, so I just don't like exaggerating. So without much talking, I just jump onto the swatches. So these are the lipsticks. Starting from the first one, this is Mugs and Hugs. The next one is Her Wonderland, and the last one is Ladies Night. Now this might appear a bit darker, but if I show you the swatches, you will definitely see that how beautiful these shades are, and these are absolute nude shades. These are basically the hand swatches, guys, and I'm also attaching the pictures and the videos that I have taken while wearing this lipstick, but to shoot some other videos or some reels or something like that. I still have the swatches in my hand, see if you can see it. So that's all for today, and if you really liked this vlog and this swatch video, don't forget to stay subscribed to my channel. And you guys who are subscribed to my channel, you people also know that I also have my own music channel, which is my first channel. Please stay subscribed to that also, and don't forget to comment what kind of videos do you want me to upload more. Reviews and swatches of lipsticks or any other makeup products that I purchased recently from any of the makeup app or even from outside stores, because I love exploring makeups and I love sharing with you all. So just stay subscribed to my channel, because your each subscriptions motivates me a lot to post videos like this. And stay tuned. Take care. Bye.